Welcome to Investing Style for Employees. Today we'll be discussing on how to buy stocks in Chaka app. Chaka is an app you can use to buy and sell local and global stocks from your phone. So here is a quick run on how to buy shares from Chaka. Open the app from your phone, search the company you want to buy, input the amount and buy the stocks. Very simple. So let's begin now. Open the app on your phone. Here is my accounts, my foreign and my local stock accounts. You're seeing the amounts I have. So you're also seeing the shares that are available you can buy from. Now this is ABC Transport. You can buy ABC Transport, you can buy Academy, you can buy Google. Any of the accounts that you want to buy, any of the stocks you want to buy, you click on it. Now this is the investments I have, and I want to buy Custodian Alliance PLC. You click open the stock you want to buy and put in the amount you want to buy and make it a whole number, or you type the number of share you want to buy. Like now I put 178 for 1,000 naira based on the market price, which is 5 naira 35 kobo. I might change my mind and I use limit order. It will require you to put the amount you want to buy, not the price they are selling it now. For instance, I'm using 5 naira 30 kobo. If you remember, the price is 5 naira 35 kobo. I want the price to come down to 5 naira 30 kobo. Then the system will automatically buy the shares for me. The same process, you put in the amount and click the buy button. But for now, we are using the market order. So let me remove what I put on the limit order, because we want to use market order. Once we are done moving it, we go back to market order. Cross check what you want to buy, the amount, the quantity of shares you want to buy, and click buy button. It will ask you to complete your transactions. Click on the complete transaction button there and the down part. And your order is placed. You will receive an email to this effect and also an SMS to confirm that you bought some shares. To see if the number of shares are reflects, open the stock you bought. Now scroll down a bit and you will see the number of shares and the average cost I bought. It is important that you know the amount still in your wallet so you can know how much you want to buy. For my local stock, I have 14,000 naira to buy more stocks of my choice. So I will now make my choices on what to buy. Again, a quick run up. I want to purchase a pharmaceutical company. Open the company name you want to purchase and click on buy. Input the number of shares you want to buy using market order. make it a whole number. And click buy. Confirm your transaction and it's done. This is how to buy shares in Chaka app. Thank you.